car crashes in Miami, what to do. You were just involved in a car crash. If you can get out of the car, if you're able to get out of the car, probably you should. Be very careful exiting the vehicle, right? Be very careful. If you're on I-95, you either may want to stay in the car, you may want to get out the other side, or you may want to get out your side and run to the side of the road. You have to be very careful and just look at, and so many people are injured by oncoming traffic after a car crash. Do not, please do not get out of the car and stand in front of the car where your car is in the lane of traffic, or even if your car is to the side and on the shoulder, do not stand in front of that car, because if you stand in front of that car, somebody's going to hit the back of your car and you're going to suffer. So don't stand in front of your car. Stand off to the side. Stand as close to that concrete wall or on that shoulder. Stand way off the lanes of traffic. The second thing is you got to take photos of the license plate of the car that hit you. Take photos of the damage to your car, damage to their car. Take photos showing the entire scene. I call those perspective photos to see where it was. And that, it was, right near this overpass or right near this stop sign or whatever it was. Take the big shot and take the close-ups too. Get medical attention right away. People, especially in car crash situations or boat crashes or whatever, your adrenaline is going and you're going 100 miles an hour. You may not feel everything right then and there. Be careful about minimizing your injuries. Don't tell people, I'm okay. Everybody wants to say, I'm okay, because everybody wants to think that they're okay. That's why people say that at the scene. And then the insurance lawyer for the at-fault driver and the insurance, look, if it goes to a claim, if it goes to court, it's always the insurance company. It's not the driver you're suing. In Florida, you can't name the insurance company, but it's really the insurance company, okay? And the insurance company lawyer then says, you said at the scene that you're okay. Trust me, that's going to come back to haunt you, and you're going to be misquoted, and you're going to be misunderstood. Everybody wants to be okay. I get it. And you kind of fool yourself, or you think on the brighter side, geez, I don't know. I don't feel anything right now. And how many times have you talked to people, they're involved in a car crash, that day they didn't feel much. Boy, the next day their neck is sore, their back is sore. A lot of times it goes away. Sometimes it doesn't go away, and it's permanent, and that's the fact. Go get medical care as soon as you can, preferably that day. By and large, the emergency room, if it's all they're looking for, they're not going to assess every injury. All they're looking for short term is, does this person need us to save his life right now? Or is his bone sticking out? Or does he have a broken bone? If he has a broken bone, it's very broken, they may get you surgery, recommend surgery right then and there. But even if they don't, doesn't mean you're not hurt. You could have a brain injury, permanent brain injury, and they would do nothing. Because frankly, there's not a whole lot to do for a brain injury. It's not that you don't have it, there's just not a lot to do for it. So you can get discharged, but at least they've given you that very quick review. Number one is your medical care. Number two, you've documented the fact that you had the accident, you had this thing, and you went and you made a record of it. And that's just number two. Number one priority is your health. Number two is you made a record. That's what to do. And of course, always you take photos or have somebody go to the scene and take photos of all the vehicles and the scene itself, whether it's a stop sign that's overgrown with weeds or whatever it is, get the photos.